welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clean data automatically with OpenAI Code Interpreter. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are going to clean your data automatically with the OpenAI Code Interpreter, then all you need is a ChatGPT Plus subscription. So if you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, then you can simply do it. Your data has to be in a supported file format like .csv or .xlx, and it can also be in .json. So you need to first of all activate the data analyst GPT and go to explore GPTs. Now you need to upload your data, provide your instruction like prompts, and once your file is uploaded, you can simply go and simply tap on your analysis about it. After this, you can simply review it and iterate it. After you have done everything, you can download the clean data and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.